Hi everyone, in this tutor we are going to see what is EC2. EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud and it is a web service that provides secure, reliable and compute capacity in the cloud. EC2 instance is the most popular service that offered in AWS. So if you are knowing about the EC2 instance, this is the basic fundamental to learn about the cloud. And the user can create, launch and terminate the instance when they were required. And we can pay for the service what we can be used. So next we can see the EC2 typically consists of. So we have four type of EC2 instance. So first we are going to see is EBS volume. So it's storing the data on virtual drive. So if you are using the root volume in the instance, so that is an EBS volume. Next we can see ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. Traffic distributed between the machine. It will depend upon the traffic that flowing from the application. Next we can auto scaling group. Scaling out and scaling in the machine. It will be scale out the instance and scale out the instance as we required for the as per the health. Next we can see EC2. It's a renting virtual machine. So we can rent the machine and we can use and we can be destroy. Note, stop the instance if you are not use, otherwise it will pay for the active instance. Suppose if you are using the any instance, if they are not in use, so just we can be just stop or terminate the instance. Otherwise you want to pay for money for the instance. So next we can go with the hands-on. So in the hands-on we are going to see how to create EC2 instance. We are using now Linux machine, so there is no Windows machine that we are having launching. Then we can create the basic security group, then access the server through PuTTY using SSH, and then finally we can stop the instance. So before wasting time, let's go now. We are in the AWS management console. I am logging with the user tutor. So first we are checking the regions. My region, I am just mentioning as my nearest region. It will be like Asia Pacific Mumbai. So I am in India, I am just mentioning Asia Pacific Mumbai. If you are in another country, you can mention nearest location. That will be better to get performance well. Here the region will be changed as Mumbai. So now we are going to create the EC2 instance. So I am just clicking a service. We can see EC2 instance is there. I am clicking the EC2. It will go to the EC2 management console. Here we can see there is no instance, there is no Elastic IP, there is no dedicated host, there is no instance running. Only security group is there. It will be like default that you are creating the your AWS account, it will be created. So I am clicking in your left side, you can see instance. Just I am clicking instance, and here there is an option is called launch instance. I am just clicking the launch instance. So quick start. First I am mentioning this Amazon Linux 2 AMI. I am selecting this one. And here there is an option is free tier eligibility. We are going with free tier. I am just mentioning the free tier T2 micro. So one CPU and one memory. Next. And here the configuration instance details. So number of instance it will be 1. There is no spot instance request. VPC it will be like default. Subnet we can use 1C, 1A, 1B. So I am using it will be like 1A. So here there is a new subnet settings enabled. So it will be like default. So I am remaining that I can get default IAM rule. I am not specifying option not required. So file system not required, and device it will be like this and all default. Okay, next I am going next add storage. So here add storage, the root volume it will be like dev xvda, and now 8 GB of size it will be like SSD GP2, and deletion or termination yes, you cannot record. Just I am giving an add tag. So tag I am not giving. So it is in next we are going for security group. Here there is an option is create a new security group or select an existing security group. So here there is some security default security graph. I am not using. I am creating a new one. So it is called SG-SSH and description SSH service. I am giving as description. And here that mention SSH port will be like 22 a custom. So I am using 0.0 data, then we can access from anywhere, and description I am using for server access. Next, review and launch. So here we can just check the configuration everything, and let's check storage. Okay, that's it, and we can launch. So we'll actually choose an existing key pair. I will create a new pair. I am just creating a new pair. It will be like server access. Download a key pair. Yes, your key pair it will be I am saying in your desktop. Then we will launch instance. Has been launching now. So instance has been launched. You can click here, and we can see the instance will be starting. Status is pending. It's launched. Yeah, now instance has been came up. So we can see status is running. just scroll up here and we can see so instance ID and a public IP address and private IP address. This is the DNS IP, so private DNS IP, and we can see there is a security group. We have one security group, it will be like SSH, so it will allow for all. So now we are going to access the server through PuTTY. So what we can do, just here we can load the downloaded key. So just go to desktop, what I have inside, just create all files .pem file. So just I am giving here and load it, save as private key. Yes, my server access, save. So here it has been saved. Now go to PuTTY. Just go to SSH. We are going to SSH auth, and you can browse that .ppk file. I'm just browse and keep it up, and we can go here section, and I'm just using the username ec2-user and just pasting the IP of the instance. So go to details and we can see summary, copy the public IP address. I am saving in the pasting here, then I am giving just enter. Yeah, now we have successfully logged in the EC2 instance. So we can see ID, so logging with the user ec2-user. So it is the default user for EC2. So this now we are here, we can now we are going to stop the instance. So we can go to here action, and we can see manage instance state. Click here and we can click here stop, and we can change the status. Just click. So now stop the instance. To confirm that this want to stop the instance, to stop. Yes, we are stopping the instance. Yes, now instance is loading. So we got alert that successfully stopping the instance. We are successfully stopping the instance. So instance is in stopping state. So it will take further 2 to 3 minutes. Just I am just pausing, and it will be resume once it's stopped. Yes, now the instance has been stopped. So this is, guys, if you are not using the instance, just you can stop. Otherwise it will pay for the money that you have using the instance. So that's it, guys. Now we have successfully created the EC2 instance in our AWS console management. So in the next video we can see with different topic. Until then, bye from Shiva.